In this video, I'll guide you through creating a custom report in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can view only the data that actually matters without scrolling through unnecessary details. Begin by opening the Reports section from the left panel, then switch to the Custom Reports tab, which acts as your storage space for both new and previously saved report templates. Click on Create New Report at the top right, and choose the type of dataset you want to start with, such as invoices, expenses, sales, or even a blank report if you want full control. Once the layout opens, use the Columns option in the toolbar to select fields like Date, Customer or Vendor, Account, Amount, and Memo while avoiding clutter so the report stays readable and practical. Review the preview carefully, reorder columns if needed, and then save it with a clear name so it's easy to reuse later without rebuilding from scratch. Subscribe for simple tech guides and honest app walkthroughs every week.